Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install MCP client and MCP server in less than 5 minutes for your N8N AI agents. First thing what you need to do, go to the bottom left side, click on your image, settings, and move to the community nodes. And here you will probably have empty. So what you need to do here is click install and enter this N8N-nodes-MCP. I will link down below all the links that you need to use in order to find all this information. And here, click I understand the risks and installing unverified code and click install. At the moment I already have installed, probably you will have different notification. And if you cannot install the node and you are using self-hosted version, you need to add one more line of environment variable code inside your instance. I use Coolify to deploy all my instances. And here in environment variables, I scroll down and add this new line of environment variables, N8N community package allow tool usage. And here I click true, update, and restart my instance. If you're going to visit the first link in the description, you will scroll down and in installation, you're going to see here the line of code, what you need to enter. For regular N8N users that use N8N Cloud, you probably will just install and it will be working for you. Okay, next step is go to any workflows, click here on the right side, and write MCP client. And in this case, I will try to list all the tools. So let's open up. And here you probably have empty, but you will need to create new credentials and create new credential. And here I will explain what is credentials. So there are multiple MCP servers available right now. These are all available. You can check it out yourself. Go to GitHub repo that I have linked in the second link down below. You can choose whatever server you want. In our case, we're going to use the FireCrawl. Just click on it, and here you're going to see how to set up the credentials. And credentials will be stored here in the credentials in your N8N instance. So you add it once and then you can access always. And here in installation guide, you can see that we need to specify the command npx. So here you enter npx. In the command in arguments, you just copy this one. So it is -y. Then is break and FireCrawl MCP. You just enter here like this. Here is a break. And here in environment variables, you need to specify like this. You just copy, you enter FireCrawl _API _key. And here you enter your API key. And then you just paste it here and click save. I also highly suggest you to name all your MCP servers. So later it's easier to you to understand. And here in our main AI agent, let's check out all the FireCrawl operations that are available. So what we do, in credentials, we choose FireCrawl, then we choose list all tools, and let's list all the tools. And here, if we go to the schema, in the tools, we can see all the tools. We have option use FireCrawl map tool, we FireCrawl like regular, and you can read here what each tool does. And for this video purpose, we're going to use FireCrawl just regular scraper, which scrapes single web page with advanced options to content extraction, supports various formats including Markdown, HTML, screenshots, can execute custom actions like clicking and scrolling before scraping. So what we do next, we here add a tool, we choose MCP client. Here is MCP client, I choose credentials FireCrawl, tool description automatically, execute, and here we need to name what kind of action we want. And here I want to FireCrawl map, that is what we prefer before we got. And then here I choose just like AI gonna choose what kind of parameters to send. And here I just give a brief description, provide the URL you need to scrape. And then whenever I run the AI agent, here is the answer I got. I ask, hey, list me all the outbound links from this website, and it gave me all the outbound links. And what to do if you want to add any other server, you just find it here in this repo. Let's say I want to, which one I'm going to choose? Let's take Appify, for example, just Appify. In here, in documentation, they have specify how to set it up. Whenever you want to create a new MCP server, you just come here, click open, and create new credential. Here in command, we need to type npx. We type npx. In arguments, we type this, -y, break, and actor. And then in the expression, we need to write API token, Appify token, and this, and your API token. You just grab your API token, and that's it. Click save, and you are good to go. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to monetize your AI agents, I highly suggest you check out the link down below of my school community. Here, you can learn everything from how to build AI agents, how to sell automations as service. We also have templates, premium AI agents, APIs, sales funnels, prompt library. And here in how to sell automation as a service, we have a bunch of video lectures you can grab right now. I highly suggest you to check out our community, and if you like this video, feel free to comment something down below. And I hope this video was helpful.